Balancing studies and financial needs can be challenging for students. Earning $1,795 per week might seem daunting, but with the right strategies and a blend of online and offline opportunities, it's achievable. Here's a comprehensive video to various ways you can reach that goal. 1. Freelancing. Writing and editing. Many companies and individuals need content for websites, blogs, and other platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer numerous opportunities for writers and editors. If you have strong writing skills, you can charge competitive rates. Estimated earnings $200 to $500 per week. Graphic design. If you're skilled in graphic design, you can create logos, marketing materials, and social media graphics. Platforms like 99 Designs and DesignCrowd are great places to find clients. Estimated earnings $300 to $600 per week. Web development. Students with coding skills can build websites or develop applications. Websites like TopTal and Hireable connect developers with clients seeking custom websites or software solutions. Estimated earnings $500 to $1,000 per week. 2. Online tutoring. Academic tutoring. If you excel in certain subjects, you can offer tutoring services to fellow students or younger learners. Websites like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and Wisant allow you to connect with students in need of help. Estimated earnings $200 to $400 per week. Language tutoring. If you are fluent in a second language, you can teach it to others. Platforms like Italki and Preply are excellent for finding students who want to learn a new language. Estimated earnings $150 to $300 per week. 3. Selling products online. Print on demand. Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, and other merchandise. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printful handle the printing and shipping. All you need to do is create and market your designs. Estimated earnings $100 to $300 per week. Handmade goods. If you have a knack for crafting, sell your handmade items on Etsy. Unique, custom items like jewelry, art, and decor can fetch good prices. Estimated earnings $100 to $400 per week. Drop shipping. Start an online store without holding inventory. Partner with suppliers who ship products directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up a drop shipping store. Estimated earnings $200 to $500 per week. 4. Part-time jobs. Food delivery. Working for food delivery services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Postmates offers flexible hours. You can choose to work during your free time and earn tips in addition to hourly wages. Estimated earnings $100 to $300 per week. Retail jobs. Part-time retail jobs offer steady income and flexible hours. Look for positions in local stores, supermarkets, or malls. Estimated earnings $100 to $250 per week. 5. Social media management. Many small businesses and individuals need help managing their social media accounts. If you're savvy with social media, you can offer your services to create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers. Estimated earnings $150 to $400 per week. 6. Content creation. YouTube. If you're passionate about a topic, start a YouTube channel. It takes time to grow an audience, but once you do, you can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Estimated earnings $100 to $500 per week after establishing a following. Blogging. Start a blog about something you love. You can monetize it through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ad revenue. Platforms like WordPress and Medium make it easy to get started. Estimated earnings $50 to $300 per week. 7. Investing. Stock market. If you have some capital, invest in the stock market. Use apps like Robinhood or E-Trade to buy and sell stocks. It's risky, but with proper research, you can earn significant returns. Estimated earnings varies potentially $100 to $500 per week. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. Over time, these investments can yield passive income. Estimated earnings $50 to $200 per week depending on investment. 8. Affiliate marketing. Promote products from companies like Amazon, share a sale, or ClickBank on your blog or social media. When someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Estimated earnings: $50 to $300 per week.